Good morning and welcome back to the channel. It's absolutely freezing today. I'd like to welcome all new people viewing and say thank you to the continued supporters and subscribers. Cheers. You know me because the S got built. You know me because of my old Fiesta. What I'm currently about to do is restart the restoration of my grey Fiesta RS Turbo. I've owned this car for about 3.5 years, maybe 4 years now, maybe. I went all hell for leather, started cleaning it up underside, like taking all bits of rust off, getting ready for welding, all that kind of stuff. Bought my Escort and kind of left it there. It's been sitting outside with a sheet over it. Not too worried about it rotting or rusting because I'm going to be fabricating it anyway. I bought it as a bare shell, well, no engine. I sourced an engine for it. I now have that engine and running, even though I pinched bits off it like an alternator and start the motor and a battery, but it will fire up. So yeah, the car being where it currently is situated and utilising and using the garage space indoors to do other projects, I'm going to start doing bits which I can do to a car slowly in the background now. So body work, it's not worth doing any of the body work because it's going to get knocked, it's going to get damaged, it's going to get moved around, etc. But I've got a front wing that I want to do a bit of work on. So I'm going to do that, or I'm going to collect the wing today to take home and do it. But what I also do is I show a bit of a montage here and there where I had the car, this is where it is now, what it used to look like with the previous owner. I'll do a walk around video of the car and talk about what I've done so far there. And I don't know, maybe I'll do a little bit pieces here and there for it. I've got big plans up in there, I know what I want to do to it, but we're a long way away, so by the time we get around to doing it, will they change? I don't know. I'm not going to be one of these people who are going to go for a full standard OE lock Fiesta RS Turbo, because you've got to be honest, you know, absolutely pants. First thing people did is drop them 60 mils and chuck a big bad boy Scorpion on them. So yeah, I'm going to stick with my vision. I got a nice big Scorpion on, well, to go on in my garage. It's not going to stay original. It's going to stay the original colour, mostly. There's a little bit of a hint there. But other than that, I'll keep in a loop. It'd be great to do a complete, like, great unveil video at the end, but what's the point? Because I want you to see what I'm doing along the way. I'm not if somebody copies, somebody pinches off, somebody dislikes it. No biggie. Nobody liked the spoiler on my last car, nobody liked the Lego, nobody liked the stickers. Do you know what? I did. So that's all that counts. So yeah, it's really easy to make it look the same as the other Fiesta, which is there. But well, it's sold now. But what's the point? I could have just kept that one. I'm building this one because I want to put my stamp on it, I want to put my personality on it, I want to take it to shows, enjoy it, and watch people enjoy it like they enjoyed my other one. Watch people hate it like they hated my other one. So that's the plan. But like I said, it's -5 as you see here, and I'm wrapped up pretty warm. I've got 3 t-shirts on, a long sleeve top, I've got my gloves on, and I go pull a sheet off at the garage.
One eternity later.
Right, so welcome back. We're at the garage and it's absolutely freezing cold. So what I'm going to do is get the sheet off here. It's absolutely freezing, so bear with me. And I'm going to have to put my hat on because it is too cold. But yeah, let's pull the sheet up, shall we? And it's frozen solid. I don't know how I'm going to get this back on. Oh my god, it's like laying down. bit slippery. Question is now, do I have the keys? So there we have it, my little Fiesta Turbo, my project. So yeah, so let's get these open. Let's have a look, shall we? Oh God, does it even work? Or are they frozen? Can't even remember which key it is in such a long time. This is going to be a little bit awkward, isn't it? Is it this one? Nope. Don't know if we're going to be getting into this today. I'm sure it's this one. Maybe I just froze on. Yeah, that's them. There we are, eventually. Oh gosh. Oh, my poor baby. Yeah, she's taking a bit of a battering and whatever. So yeah, she is looking a little bit sorry for herself. All this was painted. What a waste. I got a new filter to go on it. Taken out the Escort. I have these polished, well not polished, painted ones. Oh my God, look at that. I have a new one of these to go on it. Sounds like there's rats in here. New battery to go on. All the polished bits. Need a bit of TLC. And we put a different cooler on the front. But yeah, what a mess. A bit of tidying up here. You see, it's quite a clean car in terms of this. This is all still very clean and original. Clean here. This will all be sent back. We have a new wing to go on here. I actually really do like the wheels, but they're not staying. A few people have messaged and asked how much they are for sale. I don't know yet if they are for sale or not. You've seen the photos of a freshly rebuilt turbo. It doesn't look so fresh now, it's full of cobwebs and actually like pitting and corrosion and mold, etc. It's hard to see down there. But yeah, it'll shape up, it'll come. Oh my God, look at that. Look at them spider webs. And look at that mould. If anybody wants a Fiesta RS Turbo steering wheel needs a refurb, get in touch. I'm sure we can sort something out, because I won't be needing it. It's a shame really, I was managed to go over there. Little JBLs in the door. Water must be coming in. These are RS 2000 rear windows off an Escort. You can see the floor down there. Nice door card, really being looked after. Yep. And then a mouldy roof and water dripping in off the sunroof. That's just condensation. But yep, we're going to get this roof liner down and clean up all the inside of the roof now. You'll see all the panels are in the car, rear valance, front wings, arches, rear arches, etc. Still trying to work my gimbal out. It's clean though, it's clean. The parts, all underneath here. more or less clean. Common little hole there, that'll get done. But yeah, it's still sitting on the original metal. And then the same, the other side. That's in good shape, if anyone knows what these Fiestas are like. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Clean in the back. I spot Fiesta Turbo 3-spoke caps. Here's the roof. You will see it's really cleaner on the sunroof. I've taken it out. I've done all the work around it. Starting to come through a bit of surface rust now. It's a shame for the etch primer. This is the A colour I need to go work on. It's had a bad repair in the past. But yeah, that's minor, so I'm not worried about that. That's not very good. That's been left in the car with things on top of it. But we'll do a little video of how to pull that back. Oh my god. That's just great, isn't it? There you are, there's a new front wing to go on it. Obviously it's just balanced on right now. But I have a plan of the modification I want to do to this wing. I did want to get that done today, but I can't find the part which I wanted for it. It's a shame. So again, I've left these in the car and something on top, and it's so cold. So if you can see, I just snapped the green strip. She has minus temperatures. Well, that's the cover back over the car. I've assessed where I am now. I kind of know what I need to do now. I'm not going to be able to do any of the structural welding at the moment, but there is a little thing I want to do to the wing. So I'm going to go away and get that sorted and do that in another video for you. But yep, that's the Fiesta Turbo project. I put a little bit of montage of where it was, some clips of what I've done already, and just keep you in a loop of what's going on, because people are asking. But cheers, thanks a lot.
12 seconds later.
So yeah, so there's a little recap on the Fiesta. I think what I'm going to do is sort the alternator out, because I got a new alternator but it's got a Z-Tech pulley on the bottom. Swap that around, chuck a starter motor on it so I'm able to move it. I wanted to do a wing today, but I've misplaced my part which I want to modify the wing with, so that's out of the question. Just been up to see the chap with the E-Type, so well done everybody who said E-Type Jag. Yes, it was an E-Type Jag in the last video. And he started putting that together. I put a photo of that on you now, but yeah, it's a cold day, but it's a good day, it's alright.